Railway passenger is going to make the train super fast. The trains will reach the destination in a short time without increasing the speed. For this, the mainline electric multiple unit (MEMU) train will be replaced in a place of passenger trains in the areas of completion of electrification. Railways will also benefit from this along with passengers. In Moradabad Railway Division, it is proposed to run MEMU in place of 30 pairs of passenger trains. Railway administration has prepared a plan to cut expenditure, run more trains with less staff, reach daily passengers in less time. Railway have completed electrification in most areas of the country. According to the plan, MEMU will be replaced by passenger trains in these areas. 2 drivers are required to operate a passenger train, whereas a driver is required to run MEMU. Railways will be able to run more trains in less maneuvers. MEMU take less time to stop and quickly picks up speed on walking. For this reason, even after stopping at all stations, MEMU reaches the destination in a short time. MEMU coaches also have the facility to travel more passengers. All coaches are connected. Under this scheme, a proposal to run MEMU from Moradabad division has been sent to headquarters. The railway division operates 51 pairs of passenger trains. There are plans to run MEMU in place of 30 pairs of passenger trains. It mainly includes Chandausi Moradabad, Moradabad Gajraula, Gajraula Najibabad, Roja Bareilly, Dehradun Sahanpur, Rishikesh Haridwar, Kotdwar Najibabad passenger. Along with this, there are plans to permanently close the Saharanpur Lucknow passenger. Railways cost more to run this train. There will be no need to change the engine at the terminated station when running the MEMU. The MEMU has engine mounted back and forth. With this, MEMU can also be driven back in few minutes after arriving the destination. Assistant Commercial Manager Naresh Singh said, MEMU train is proposed to be run on electrified route in place of passenger train. The MEMU train will run as soon as the order of the headquarters is received. For more news updates, subscribe to our channel Ishan News Network and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.